Hello, my name is Dr. Julian De Silva. Facelift and neck lift surgery are procedures I complete every day for my patients. And common reasons are a more tired appearance, a squarer jawline, noticing more loose skin around your neck, and sometimes just the effects of gravity and deeper lines around your face. Now, I've continually refined my techniques for my patients for over a decade, and you can see I have many photographs in my photograph gallery, thousands of 5-star patient testimonials, and many thank you cards. I totally appreciate that having any kind of procedure is a really significant decision for many people, and I complete a customized vertical deep plane facelift. That is just medical terminology for lifting the areas of your face back where they used to be, and this is from over 10 years of experience. This technique is natural and is longer lasting. Most facelift surgery in the past has been towards the ear, which does make a difference. It's faster to complete, however, evidence that we have suggests it's not as natural and not as long lasting. Now, the other really important aspect of surgery is you and your recovery. My team and I offer a personalized service, 5-star quality of care during your recovery period. Now, these are just the essentials. However, everything is tailored towards you and your experience. I pride myself on providing patients with excellent, high-quality results and excellent service. Now, I'm an author and I've taught facelift surgery as the director of International Facelift and Neck Lift course for many years, teaching other surgeons how to complete this surgery. I'm an artist, and I can say that with facial surgery, 50% is kind of technical detail. However, 50% is artistry. Every single person's face is unique, and some patients will need complementary fat transfer or skin resurfacing to get the very best results. I would love to meet you in person. Please feel free to contact us either through my website, telephone, or even WhatsApp. Thank you.